What is up?
I think I got one for you.
I think you do. It must be that big one.
Somebody stole your packages, Junklin.
Oh, really? I was about to say, because Amazon refunded me, so... Really?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you did send it back though, right?
Yeah, I did. Hey, man.
No problem,
Alright, we'll see. Yo, it's your boy, David Odemchuk. Guys, what you just saw come in is the 5K LG monitor. Usually it's like, got the brand new product in the house. Guys, this thing is basically ancient now, and it has been around for years from LG. That hefty price tag of $1,300. It's a 5K display, I get it, but you can pick up a 5K display iMac for like 400 bucks more. So is this thing still even worth it? And then I have another part that I want to talk about, and that is Amazon Renewed. Well, what is that? Like, it's all over the place now. Okay, guys, first we are going to do an unboxing, and you know what? I got a little treat, baby. You ready for this? Unbox therapy. Knife in the house to unbox properly. Let's go, baby. Okay. Okay, looking at the box from the outside, I can definitely tell it was retaped over here. Standing it up, once again, you can tell it was retaped. So this thing was clearly open before. You know, obviously, if I would have bought this thing brand new, I'd be like, wait a second, this has been opened before. So, and that goes to say with Amazon Renewed, that you aren't getting a brand new product. You are getting something that's, I almost want to say like, certified refurbished. That's probably the best way I could describe it. As you can see, everything's still in this plastic wrapping. And then even the cords, yeah, you see how it's not in the little zip ties that they usually include in it. So this is, once again, just feels very refurbished, but still, you know, pretty good for sure. Okay, let's talk about the main event. And that is the display. And this wrapping right here is intentional. This is to help from heat absorption while shipping, so that's good. Let's see if there's any scratches of any kind. Like what, let's see here. That looks really clean. That looks really good. Yeah, I mean, the monitor itself looks brand spanking new. I wouldn't say that this thing was used before. Guys, now that I have my desk fully set up with the new 5K display, I'm kind of speechless. So let me give you a little backstory. I've had an iMac 5K for years now, but in anticipation of the new iMacs to come out in the next handful of months, went ahead and sold mine. So I've been working off my handy dandy MacBook Pro 15-inch. So obviously I needed a display, so I figured I'd start with the 4K and really see if I noticed a difference. And when I got it, sure, the 4K was nasty, but in the course of 2 weeks, you just get used to it and it's fine. And I just kind of figured, I feel like I'm missing out on something, so I went and got this 5K panel from LG on Amazon, link in the description down below. And guys, I don't know what to say. It's completely different. Literally cannot compare the two. And there's a reason why that one was 400 something and this one was 1200. So there's a reason for that. As far as the review of this goes, I can tell you right now that this panel is super awesome. It even has a built-in camera, which is great. The other one didn't. In this day and age, how everyone's working from home now, that's kind of valuable to have. Overall, I can't recommend it. I really can't, unless you have a beast of a machine MacBook Pro that is your everything and you need a display, then you really don't have a choice. You have to buy this monitor. But if you're debating between a MacBook Pro and an iMac, get the iMac, because like I said, 400 bucks more, you can have an all-in-one. And you know, this thing doesn't look bad, but compared to the iMac, even though it's ancient history, also at this point, still looks better than this guy right here. Not to mention the wobble feature. I mean, this thing, I don't get it. It's 1,200 bucks. You can't put some aluminum, like it's all plastic. Like, okay, that's the display that you're buying, but it's nice when everything all encompassing is there. So enough of that. Let's talk about Amazon Renewed. This panel right here on Amazon goes for $1,300. On Renewed, it fluctuates on the daily, but you're looking at between $1,100 to $1,200. So essentially you're saving $100 to $200. I like to see it as you're saving the tax plus some change, and you're essentially getting the exact same thing, just has been previously open. Kind of like back in the day when we used to go to Best Buy and you would, you know, see a little open box section. It's essentially what you're buying, just on a massive scale. So I have seen other items on Amazon Renewed where it's like you're tremendously getting a discount, you know, a solid 20%. And in those cases, I mean, hands down, just do it. Like, you're not going to regret it. Worst case scenario, just return it. Because I'm going to be honest with you, I've had that panel for 2 weeks now, the 4K LG, and it's, like I said, from Amazon Renewed. I'm returning that thing and totally sticking with this because I was still up in the air, and I'm going to keep this till the new iMac comes out. Hopefully that's sooner than later. There's predictions that, you know, rumors that it's going to come out in the fall. So I'm really hoping on that. And okay, guys, if you have any questions about this gorgeousness right here, well, I'm talking about the panel for the most part, leave a comment down below. If you have any questions about Amazon Renewed, also leave a comment down below. Okay, guys, I will see you in the next video, which is actually this mug right here. So make sure to stay tuned. I've already started working on this video. It's like a mug that keeps your coffee super hot apparently all day. It's pretty mind-blowing. Okay, guys, I will see you in the next one.